Elaine Thompson-Herah is on the move. Next week she will be in, I think it's Monaco.
No, I think it's Glasgow.
She's in Glasgow now, linking with world-renowned physiotherapist, body mechanics specialist, Anthony Giagargan. All right, Anthony Star Giagargan. All right.
So Physio Dom Gargan.
Yeah, man. All right, learn it. All right, so the fastest woman in the world, Jamaican sprinter Elaine Thompson-Herah, is in Ireland. All right, at the moment for a flying visit, checking with her renowned physical therapist, rather. The Realta Sport Clinic in Carlow has built a reputation over the last 25 years for treating athletes, local and national and international, and Thompson-Herah is just the latest on an illustrious list. All right. During the summer, the Jamaican sprinter became the first woman ever to win the Olympic 100 and 200 double for a second time, having taken both golds in Rio in 2016 as well as relay gold too. It's on her way to Monaco for next week's World Athletic Awards that she's stopping over in Carlow for a checkover. She says he's really a nice guy to work with and comfortable as well. She said today of Anthony Star Giagargan, who established Realta many years ago. It's almost like he's part of the family now, she said. It's good to be in a different environment, she said of her latest trip to Carlow, although she's not a huge fan of the cold, particularly after traveling from her home region in the Caribbean. I love my kind of weather. Tropical is very good, you know. But it's good to experience some cold. Yeah, nothing is wrong. Amazing to dress up in big clothing. All right. Speaking of her success on the track this summer, she described it as surreal. It's unreal, you know. As a girl, I dreamed of making the Olympic team, and it's now come true twice. A 5-time gold Olympic champion. This is an amazing feeling when you sit back and watch the work and struggles you had to put in to get there, you know. It's amazing to know that I inspire younger generations. Other sports people treated by Giagargan over the years include former Jamaican sprinter Usain Bolt, as well as Asafa Powell, NBA basketball star LeBron James, and All-Ireland winning hurler Richie Hogan, with the last few years really seeing the clinic's reputation on the rise. He says, this is Giagargan, I've treated 15 Olympic champions over the last 2 Olympics. My job is body mechanics. So she's over for treatment to get her body checked out, he said. Now this is very important, Will. She was so close to breaking the world record this year in 3 of 4 races. You see, this man is paying attention. We're just trying to get together and get our heads around how we can master that journey. Let that sink in. So what that means coming out to Elaine training camp? What's the focus?
That's just he was going to fine tune her now.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? He's just basically telling you, she already have what it takes. I'm just going to teach her exactly what she's doing right and how to consistently do it right, as well as correct, you know, whatever needs to get corrected.
Yeah.
That is what that is saying to me.
Yeah, he specializes in body mechanics. All right, so body mechanics. This is by physiopedia.com. Body mechanics is a term used to describe the way we move as we go about our daily lives. So he will be fine-tuning that stride or trying to make her more efficient with how she uses her body. Is that how?
In probably everywhere, how she get out of the blocks, how she build momentum, and then how she carry a
how
top
she hold
speed,
her head.
You know, everything. You know?
Yeah. I'm curious to see the results.
Definitely.
I mean, I'm pretty sure this is something that they work on constantly, because she did say he's like family now. So this is something
for sure.
They have been working on. I know it seems to be part of the reason that
she's excelling already.
Yeah, or it could be. You know what I mean?
No, but it's no joke. He's worked with how many Olympic champions?
I think he said something like 15.
50. And it's
15.
across
15.
Okay.
Yeah.
And it's across numerous disciplines. Because I see him work with that pole vaulter girl there from like Ukraine or one of them Slavic countries. I can't remember her name.
Yeah.
I see him work with her though. You know, so I mean, like you said, body mechanics, you know?
Yeah, man.
Just like when you have a race car, you need to go to dyno and them just tune back out the laptop and say, this is how the air fuel ratio must go. That's what I'm going to do with Elaine now. You know?
Yeah. Yeah. You see, the more I learn about how we go about these things or how the athletes go about these things, the more curious I get. You know what I mean? And the more I kind of pay attention and observe the races. I don't know if it's like that for anybody else, but it's quite interesting to learn.
And I hope the younger generation look at it and see it's physical ability is a small percentage of this game. You know,
Yeah.
You really have to be using your mind to constantly analyze what you're doing wrong, what you're doing right, and how to be better.
Yeah.
You know, it takes a lot of expertise. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Till you yourself have to become an expert in it yourself. Yeah. Maybe that is what we're gonna see people like Bolt and Asaf are transitioning into. Maybe they'll be the next big athletic coaches on the line sharing the knowledge they've had because you know they've mastered how to win.
Yeah. But it's always good to get the advice from an expert, like a doctor.
But that's what it's all about. It's all about bringing in you know, a network of coaches. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Look at even football now. You know, it's not one coach. It's not the head coach teaching them how to take set pieces. You have a coach specifically for that. You know?
Yeah, I was just about
specialists.
It always helps to have specialists on your team and the best people on your team.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
The best people available, for sure.
Yeah, man. All right, so big up the doc and big up the runner. All right, bless up Elaine. Guys, thank you for watching. Wade, thank you for joining me. We'll see you next time. All right. Remember, like and subscribe. Boom.